Jason Hatcher here. Today I'm going to walk you through this beautiful new 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Let's go up top so I can show you around. Here we are topside on this beautiful 250 SDX. One of the things that I love about this boat is the amount of bow seating you get here. This offset helm actually gives you an additional seat for a person here in the front. Also, plenty of room for you, your family, and your friends. One of the new features for the 2026 models is this increased head door opening. You can slide this back, open this, and you have plenty of ease to get in and out of your head. Here at the helm, you'll notice this boat is appointed with twin Simrad screens. Very nice upgrade on this model. You also have the beautiful Sea Ray steering wheel, digital throttle with active trim, and room for two. Probably one of my favorite seats in this entire boat. Right here in the corner, you got visibility backwards, you got visibility forward. You can see what's going on at the helm. And you're sitting next to this 300 horsepower Mercury that'll get you up and going. Come down to Fort Walton Beach and see us soon.